All right, team, welcome to your complete ab workout. Let's lock in and make these next few minutes powerful. As you move through each exercise, remember every rep is shaping a stronger version of you, not just physical, but mentally too. This is where discipline grows. This is where confidence builds, and this is where excuses disappear. Feeling the burn? That is your body waking up. That's your core getting stronger with every single second you refuse to quit. Don't run from that feeling. Lean into it. Let's remind you that you are capable of more than you think. Right now, someone out there is wishing they started, and that could be you right now. You showing up. You pressing that play button and being prepared to let's get that stomach in the best shape of your life. Let's get that mind ready. Grab your dumbbell. I am using a 10-pound dumbbell. Make sure you keep that core engaged. Make sure that you inhale and exhale. Continue to keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Work at your own pace. And what I'm doing in this video, I am doing at least a good 10 reps for the video sake. Off cameras, please try to do this daily, like 2 to 3 days out the week. Try to get up to at least 30 reps per workout. Do not give up. You already made the first start by just pressing play today, and I'm super excited. And while you're at it, please like and subscribe and share this video. Your abs don't just show up by magic. They show up through consistency, through effort, and through moments exactly like this. When it gets hard and you still push forward, every crunch, every lift, every hold is adding up. It's building your strength, sculpting your midsection, sharpening your mindset. You are creating the body you want, one rep at a time. So pace yourself. Make sure that you hold your stomach as tight as you can. That's what they call engage. Take your time. Do as many as you can. Do not forget, grab a paper and a pen so you can write down each day what number you stop at. And each day you become the better version of yourself every single day. You are not in competition with no one but yourself. So today, if you're able to only do 20 crunch or 20 of each per workout, then tomorrow try to do 21. Keep showing up for yourself. And listen, don't compare yourself to anyone else. Your journey is yours. Your pace is yours. What matters is that you are moving, growing, and refusing to give up. We're entering the final stretch, so finish strong. You got this. This moment is yours. Imagine how good you are going to feel later knowing you completed this. Not halfway, not almost. You did it all. You guys, please keep showing up. I will be happy to see y'all on my live. I am working out live almost 2 to 3 days out the week at around 10 a.m. Eastern time. And there are times as well as showing up at 7 p.m. Eastern time. You guys, thank you so much. Please like, please share the video. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. And guess what? Upload those results. Let's be proud. We in this community, we support one another. Have an amazing day on purpose.